Welcome to sixth lesson of this course guide to Joomla. In this lesson, you will learn what are Joomla templates and having different Joomla style design for different pages on your website. Joomla templates are a great way to give a professional up-to-date design to your website. Both front end and administrator has separate templates. The templates screens allow you to preview and edit templates which are installed in your Joomla site. How to set it? Go to System, then navigate to the Site Templates. This is the list of templates currently installed in your Joomla website. So in top bar we have three buttons. First one is the style. This will take us to template styles, and then the other buttons are help and options. Similarly, we have a templates area for site and for administrator. If I navigate to administrator, it will take me to the administrator template which is currently installed and we are viewing in the backend. And we have a search bar, we have sorting and pagination, and we have some columns, image which is showing the thumbnail of template, the template name, and version, and dates and other and override files, etc. So inside the template, when I hover over the name of the template and click on it, it will take me to the files of this template. This is the file structure of the templates. In the very top bar we have five buttons. First one will create a child template. It is same as the child template we create in the WordPress. The other one is the next one is the template preview. If I click on it, it will take me to the front end of the website and will show us the available the module position and their styles on website front end. And this is the plus point of Joomla, which makes it very easy to find out which area is used for which extension of website. Be sure this is only available in the Joomla. This is not available in other CMS or blogs like WordPress or Drupal. Next is the manage folder, which is showing the manage folder of the currently installed template. To the left side, we have a template folder structure. Inside the main template file, we have this template Cassiopeia, and in that we have some files in which the main file is the index, the file used for the error areas is error.php. If you are coder, then you may play with it, but if you are not coder, please don't edit this file, otherwise your website will be crashed. Similarly, inside the media folder, which is actually introduced in the Joomla 4 version, we have JS, CSS, JavaScript, images, and SCSS folders, which is actually used to override the CSS style of this template. If I navigate to the CSS folder, we have template.css file, and we can work with the CSS to make the override to this template style. We have also power of save, rename, and the deleting the file, and lastly close the file. Next we have a create override tabs. The currently installed modules, component, plugin, and layouts are being shown in this tab. If I click any of this installed extension, it will add those extension into the HTML folder. Inside the template folder, there is HTML folder which is used to create the overrides. It is very great feature of Joomla too. It will not change core component, no matter it is a core provided by the Joomla or it was installed as a third party. And lastly, we have template description. So the main files are the index.php, which is a template file, and offline.php. When we set a website to offline from global configuration, this layout is displayed. And we have template detail.xml, which is a template installation file. It is used to give instruction to Joomla installer about the positions, files, and other parameters used in the Joomla template styles. Error.php is displayed in case any page is not found or if there any error occurs on your website. The template style screen is used to manage both site and administrator templates. Use it to set the default template for all pages or assign a specific template to an individual page. Here is a one template and which is set as a default for all the web pages. If I go to edit it, there are some parameters for this template which we can change. First one is the brand, either to show or hide. The second one is the default logo set by the template. We can use the media manager to set the logo of website. If I set any logo to our website, save the template, refresh from the front end, this logo is displayed. We have other parameter including the title, alternative to logo, tagline as a slogan, and we have a specific font scheme provided by the template. We have say two color themes. And we have back to top link, which appears when we scroll down. Now we have three menu currently. If I want to give second template style to about us page, what I will do, I will select it and make it the duplicate of this style. I will edit the other which is not selected as a default, but I will go to the menu assignment and from here I can assign this style to any other menu. I will save it and press the refresh button. I will change the parameters. And we have different template style for this about us page. Alternatively, we can also apply template style from the menus. So from the menu, we will go to the menu about us or login. Right now for the login, we have template style alternative, and from here template style which is selected use default, I will change to the use default number 2. I will save the menu, come back to the front end and log in, and it is changed. So that was all about the templates and template style, how to use them for different menus, for different pages, and what are the files structure used in the template manager of Joomla. Stay connected for the next lesson.